Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to download Ludo King game on your iPhone or Android devices. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Ludo King on your smartphone is easy. Make sure that your smartphone is connected to a stable internet and then open up your App Store or your Play Store. Into the search box, type in Ludo King and tap search. You'll be able to see the application displayed in the search result. Tap on the app to see more information about it. To download the application on your mobile device, tap the Get button on your iPhone, or if you're using Android, tap on the Install button. Now, you'll be able to see the download process begin. Ludo King is a popular online board game that is based on the classic Ludo board game. It is also ranked among the top played games on the internet. You can download the Ludo King app from your Google Play Store or your App Store. Soon after the application gets downloaded, tap on Open to launch Open Ludo King on your mobile device. Allow necessary permissions for the app or not, and then you'll be able to open up Ludo King. That is how you can easily download Ludo King right on your mobile device in a few simple steps. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.